Okay, hello. Today's task is minimum number of pushes to type word to. Let me quickly read the problem. I solved it like a couple days ago, but let me try to do that again. Okay, so I have the idea to just we have I have like word um, input string, and I basically need to do that in batches, like calculate the uh, frequencies for letters, and then do this evict the most frequent one, and then say and like the number of occurrences it has in a letter, and it's gonna number the pushes, and then do that 9 times, or like even 9 times, because we have like okay, not 9, 8 times, because we can map 2 to 9, and it's gonna be the first batch, like 8 most frequent letters should go like into first places for the keyboard, like for the phone keyboard keys. Like in this case, let's say, in this case we have like number of axes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 axes, number of Ys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Ys, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for that. So I'll add X, Y, Z with X with 4 frequency, Y with 4 frequency, and Z with 4 frequency. And I can use like priority queue, or I can use even a deck all in list. And then I can do the following. I can start polling the queue, and the first 8 polls gonna be the most 8 frequent letters. I'll assign them a first place in a key, like in on a key. And next 8, I assign them to second place on a key. And next 8 gonna be third, and so on and so forth. And every time I'm gonna evict a letter with a frequency, I'm gonna check what the number of pushes for this letter right now, and then I will multiply the frequency by the number of pushes. So this is basically it. So let's assuming that we have, let's say we have this case for the for this long word. Let me take a screen here. Select a to grab shot, copy, and then here say I wanna have this keyboard and this and this and this letter, oh, like this word, and this word has like how many A's? A1, two A's, and then B's, two B's, and then C's, two C's, and then D's, two D's, and then E's, two E's, and then F's, two F's, G's, two H, two, and then I frequency gonna be 1, 2, 3, 6. So I can add all this like pairs to the priority queue like heap or again deck, and then I'll start evicting the those letters with the most with the highest frequency. So it's gonna be I gonna be 6 first, and then whatever the order A2, B2, C2, uh, D2, E2, and then G2, and then F2, and then H2. And every time I'm gonna evict, I'm gonna count the number eviction I did. So like 6, I'm gonna add the result when I evict 6 from the priority queue because it has the highest frequency. It's gonna be evicted first. So result I will. It's a first, first. It's a first 8. Oh, first 8 letters. So it's gonna be multiplier gonna be just 1. I need one push for the to type the I letter. So it's gonna be 6 by 1 plus 6 by 1 here. And I'm gonna evict it. For the A, it's gonna be again 2 pushes. So result, so here result is 6. So the result gonna be 6 plus 2, and it's gonna be second key. Then equal 8. Then gonna be B, gonna be third, and then 6 plus 2. Oh, 8 plus 2 gonna be 10. And then C gonna be fourth. Give me 10 plus 2, gonna be equal 12. And then gonna be D gonna be fifth. 12 plus 2 gonna be 14. And then E gonna be 6. So the increment gonna be 14 plus 2 multiplied by 1 equals 16. Then G gonna be 7th. Gonna be 16 plus 2, gonna be 18. Then F gonna be 8. So it's gonna be 18 plus 2 equals 20. And then the H gonna be 9th. So it's a second set of keys. Uh, every set is like 8 elements. So because it's the second one, I'm gonna multiply its frequency not by 1 as previously, but by 2. I need 2 pushes of the key because now I ran out of the so in this case I was assigning I here, and then I was assigning um, let's make it smaller. I was assigning I here as a first, let's say, and then I was assigning like my that like assigning that to the letters doesn't matter, but to the digits, like what digit I should assign I can assign it to 7, 8, 9, whatever. What matters is the order. So and the quantity of those. So next I'll do that by sequentially. So 3 gonna be assigned A, and then 4 gonna be B, and then 5 C here, and then 6 D, E, F, and then G. So here I like mix them G, and then for the H, I don't have like keys left for. So all previous letters required like just one push for the key to type it. But now I ran out of the first places for the first pushes for the keys. So H gonna be second, like gonna stay on the second place. So in order to type in the H, I'm gonna need 2 pushes. So let's assign H to 2. So for 2, um, in this case, if I need to type in I need to press key 2 button 2 once. If I need to type H, I need to press button 2 twice. So result here gonna be 20 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So it's gonna be 24. The answer should be here 24. Yeah, that's true. So the question is how I can write the code here. Oh, okay. I already had a solution with the priority queue. So let's have a little bit different solution. I wanna do that with linked list or like deck. Um, and then integer, let's say. So initially I wanna go for int, let's say int n equals word dot length, and then for int I equals 0, I less than n I plus plus, and then int frequency 9. It's interesting if I can push the element. Um, okay, let's pretend we cannot do that. So I'll have this frequency 26, and then fq word char at I minus a plus plus. And then I wanna do this by order. So if I do the DAC, I need to find the right place. Back inside. Yeah, it's not supported by API, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll continue like doing that with priority queue. Or I can even sort it. Okay, let's do that with priority queue. Priority queue and then FQ integer. Oh, I can just sort them actually. Now I can sort them, yeah. Arrays dot sort and then FQ and then for int I equals 0, I less than FQ dot let's say 26, I plus plus, and then if I FQ I equals 0, then continue. Let's say I want to sort that in a reverse order. So like I'm gonna do this 26, I greater or equal 0, I minus minus, and if frequency equals 0, then break. And then let's say 8, say counter. Int mode. Or we can just derive the multiplier by the counter, dividing by counter by 8. So I'll do the following. I'll have the result. So first I need the result plus equal FQI multiplied by the counter by 8 and then plus 1. And then counter plus plus. And then return result. Something like that. $25. Okay, so that's it. I wonder what if I wanna improve the memory. So occurrences, priority queue, push. What if I'm gonna run it right now? So here I have an array and I'm sorting it. Yeah, not that good as it showed. Yeah, still not good. Yeah, so that was it. So the time complexity for this solution, not gonna be time complexity. So it's like O of n, I need to count the frequency. And then finally I need to sort it, so it's gonna be log 26 by log 26, so it's like constant here. And then calculating the result again, it's like 20 O of 25, so also constant. So like O of n complexity here. Yeah, that's it. I'll wrap up.